Hello, my dear friends. Today, in the series of AP, and in which we are doing right now the exercise number 5.3, question number 1 and 2 we have done, and some questions I have given you for homework. I think you must have done those questions. So, now today I have some new questions. Question number 3 is here. In an AP, uh, now there are many parts there. 5 parts I'm taking right now. First part is a is given 5, d is given 3, and an is 50. You have to find the value of n sn. So let's see how we will find the value of n and sn. Because for sn I have the formula sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 to d. I need n for that also. Okay, so first I will find out the value of n. For finding the value of n, I will take the help of an, because an I have been given. So let me do this question here. an is given 50. Now you are knowing an is the nth term. So nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for nth term, and it has been given how much? It is 50. So now put the value of a and d from this. So a is 5, and in place of d you will put 3. So put the values here. In place of a we will write 5 plus n minus 1 into d has been given 3, will be equals to 50. Now this 3 will multiply inside. So it will be 5 plus 3 into n, 3n minus 3 into 1, 3. This will be equals to 50. So now you need the value of n. So this one term you leave here and the rest will go there. So 3n will remain here. So it will be 3n will be equals to, what is there? 50. This minus 3 will go there, will become plus 3. And plus 5 will go there and it will become minus 5. Is it clear? Now it will be 3n will be equals to 50 plus 3, 53, and 53 minus 5, I think it is 48. 48. So 48 is the answer. 53 minus 5 is 48. Now from here you can find the value of n. This 3 will divide there. Okay, so it will be n will be equals to 48 by 3. So n will be equals to, just divide it, 16 times it will go. So this is the value of n. So you need the value of n in the first question. I have found the value of n. Now we have to find the value of Sn. Now here we will find the value of Sn. Just I'm parting it. Okay. Now I need the value of Sn. Sn value I have to find out. So first let me write the formula for Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This one formula I can use, and I can use in this case Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l also, because l is the nth term and nth term has been given here. So this value I also can write here, but right now I am using the same formula. So value of n is 16. So in place of n you have to write 16 now. So it will be S16 will be equals to 16 by 2 into 2 multiply a. Value of a is 5. Look there, it is 5. 2a plus n. n is 16 minus 1, and into d. d is 3. Just close the bracket, so you will get the value. 2 divide 16, how many times it? 2, 8 times 16, 8 times. So 5 2 ja 10, it is plus 16 minus 1, 15. 16 minus 1, 15, and 15 3 ja 45. Correct, 45 it is. Okay, so now just write these values here. 8 multiply 10 plus 45 is 55. Just multiply these two terms. 8 5 ja 40, carry 4. 8 5 ja 40, 40 plus 4, 44. Now this is your answer. Okay, so in the question number 1, a has been given, d has been given, an also. So you have to find the value of n and sn. So I have found the value of n also and sn also. So this way you will solve these questions. Now question number 2 is before you. Question number 2, a is a has been given here 7, and a13 is also, a13 is also there, 35, and you have to find the value of and d and s13, d and s13. This value you have to find out. So how will we solve this one question? Straight way we can solve this one question, because I have to find the value of d. I can find the value of d from here, because a13 means 13th term is given. 13th term is how much? 35. So 13th term means a plus 12d. So a plus 12d has been given. So let me do the second part here. Just I will make it short. This is the second part. In the second part, a13 has been given. How much it is? A13 is 35. This is the nth term. You can write it L also. Is it clear? It is same as L you are writing in the case of last term. So a13 means 13 term has been given. 13 term has been given. So 13 term means a plus 12d. 13 term is a plus 12 na, like first term a, second term a plus d, third term a plus 2d, fourth term a plus 3d. Same way 13 term is a plus 12d, and it has been given how much? 35. Now put the values here. A is 7, a is 7 plus 12, d, value of d you have to find out, right, is as it is. So it will be equals to 35. This 7 will go, then it will become minus. So 12d will be equals to 35 minus 7. It is how much? Just subtract it. How much it will come? 28. Yes, it is 28. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Okay. Now a13 is 35. a13 is a plus 12d is equal to 35. So 12d, a value of a, I have put the value of a. So a, this 7 will go there and it will subtract there. So 12d will be equals to 35 minus 7, and it is 28. So from here you can find the value of d. So d will be equals to this 12 we will divide there. So 28 by 12 you can simplify it. 4 7 ja 28, 4 3 ja 12. So now you have the value of d here. Is it clear? This is the value of d. So you have to find the value of d. We have found. Now you have to find the s13. So now S13, S13, I will use here nth term formula. First I will write the formula for n, Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into, I have the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But in this case, I will use n by 2 into a plus l. Why l? Because I have been given l already here. So I will use here a plus l. So now in place of n, what I will write? First I have to find the value of n from here. So how will you find out the value of n? You will find the value of n from the nth term. From the nth term, first you will find the value of n, then put the value of n here, then you will have your answer then. So n, value of n, how will you find out? By using this one formula. An is equals to an or tn, whatever you want to write, you can write it. So an is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now n is already have been given, no need to write this. In place of n you can write 13. So you have to find the value of s13. So in place of n, what you have to write here? 13. Look here. It is very easy now. S13. So value of S13. Put the value in place of n. You have to write 13 by 2 into a. A is how much? A is 7. So right here 7 plus L. L is the nth term. Nth term is 35. So write this value here. So by solving this, you will get your answer and you will get the sum of 13 terms. So it will be 13 by 2 multiply 7 plus 35, it is 42. You can simplify it. I think 21 times it is cutting. So S13 will be equals to 13 1 ja 13, 3 carry 1, 13 to the 26, 26 plus 1, 27. Now you have your answer. This way you will solve the second part of the question, in which A is 7 and A13 has been given. You have to find the value of D and S13. So value of D, this way you'll find out, and S13, in place of N you will write there 13, because already it is given S13, means N is given, N has been given how much? 13. So value of N is 13, put the value 13 there, so you will get your answer. Is it clear? So this way you will solve the second part. Is it clear? Now we will move to the third part.